Switch it up like.
So yes guys, Chesson997 here, and today I will just be doing a video on this game again. If you're getting bored of this game and you're losing interest, tell me what game to get. Oh, Griezmann 89. Tell me what game to get. I'll download it if I can, and I'll play it on camera. So yeah, I'll do that for ye. Cavani. Right, I just wanted to say thank you for leaving likes and that thingies for everything. And yeah, it's just really helpful. Oh my god.
Switch it up like.
Switch it up, speaker box blast, 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 blast.
Switch it up like.
Oh, James Rodriguez. Yeah, I just wanted to say thank you for all the subscribers who've subscribed already from my last channel, who have come over to this channel. So yeah, I hope you have subscribed. If you haven't, then please do. I like that. And then yeah, just opening some more packs. Torres. So yeah, 2-3 team of the years. Come on. Video's only going to be 5 minutes long. Andre Gomez. Swear down, he's Zerka when he's old. He's Zerka when he was younger. Zerka exposed. To be honest, I haven't opened packs today, except these ones. So these aren't going too good. I'm not getting anyone good. Them 3 team of the years are the only people I've got. There's Matuidi's pretty good. Ones to watch is better though. And then form. Oh, big flare around. Oh, I need better flares than that. Nemanja Matic. Who's this? Buffon. Shut up. His adverts are infuriating. Right. Oh, Lukaku. Oh boy. I only woke up about an hour ago, so my voice is still a bit crackly. Oh. So yeah.
Switch it up like.
Switch it up, speaker box blast, 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 blast.
Switch it up like.
Switch it up, speaker box blast, go.
We about to go.
Veranda. Leno, he is not good. One more pack and then I'll be off. Yeah, 9 golden. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like and subscribe if you're new around here, and see ya!
Switch it up like.